I'm guessing if you click this video, you are likely a founder, an entrepreneur, or a sales rep, selling to corporate and having a hard time consistently meeting your goals. It could be for a myriad of reasons. Could be because there's some confusion around the corporate buyer's decision-making process in today's market. That would be an easy one. The second part could be lack of accountability, or it could be lack of accessibility to the tools or the person that you may need to help you navigate the sale opportunity to a win for you and your client. At the end of the day, any of these things could have you feeling like you're yelling into the wind and not making progress towards your sales goals. Believe me, I get it. After selling $25 million in corporate sales and coaching hundreds of coaches and consultants from confusion to sales success, I understand. And believe me, the fact that you may not have clients coming in right now does not mean that you suck. The real problem is what you've been taught or what you previously been sold. If this sounds like you, I'm hoping you'll stick around and watch the end of this video where I break down the GSR protocol. The GSR protocol has everything to do with three things. I'm going to break them down right now. The first thing is sales mindset. Understanding that if you're like one of our clients, Tina, who came over from B2C and wanted to call on B2B market, she came over and needed some adjustment to the mindset around how decisions are made in a corporate environment. The last message I got from Tina was literally, the meeting went stellar. Couldn't have been better. I positioned myself as a trusted advisor. That's another thing we cover in the sales mindset piece, is the importance of positioning yourself as a trusted advisor in today's market, and we can help with that. The second part of the GSR protocol is literally timing and milestones. If you're anything like Candace, who came into our program, she came in knowing that she had some timing that she needed to hit because she was in corporate sales already, and she needed to hit her timing for quarterly goals, annual goals, etc. So we were able to work with her to understand exactly what she needed so she could get to her goals in the time frame that she needed. The success of that story is she actually not only hit her goals, but increased by over 200%. And then finally, there is the building of the loose framework. A large part of what we do is to provide a framework so that you can actually be successful implementing and executing over and over and over again. That's the most important part of this, is that you can take what you learn and put it into practice and win opportunities with your clients so that they win with their customers. Those are the 3 steps. If this sounds like anything that you're going through, I'm hoping that you will schedule your introductory call by hitting the link somewhere around this video. I look forward to meeting you.